Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning, depending on when you be getting this video. I want to ask my Hausa brothers, the good ones. I want to ask my Fulani brothers, the good ones. I want to ask my Igbo brothers, the good ones. And I want to ask my Yoruba brothers, the good ones. And I want to ask the Calabar, my Calabar brothers, my Efik brothers, and so on and so forth in Nigeria. I want to ask all of you a question. Some of you are listening to these politicians. Some of these politicians who you know have failed. Some of you listening to Ojo Zokalo. Some of you listening to Ike Kuremadu. Some of you listening to Joe Ibokwe. And so on and so forth. And all these men, you guys know that they failed to represent us well. So my question is, what sense is there in you believing in whatever these men say? Because at the end of the day, these men, their children are not in this country. So there's no how they can tell you that they believe in Nigeria and they want you to believe in Nigeria. Are you listening to them and endorse them? In all of them, who among them has their children in this country? That's the question you ask yourself. So you believing in somebody like Joe Ibokwe, Ike Kuremadu, Theodore Oji, Ojo Zokalo, and so on and so forth is you being stupid. Think about all these things. I can't tell you I love my fatherland, and yet I'm not in my fatherland. I'm not doing any good things about my fatherland. That is nonsense. Do your investigation before you vote, if you must vote. But for me, I'm among those that say no election in Nigeria in 2023. If they want us to do anything that looks like election, that should be referendum. That is it. I might get my PVC. I might, just in case. But the honest truth is, to be honest, I will like to get my PVC if I find the chance, just for benefit of doubt. But for you that think that after the election that the agitation for Biafra will end, that's a lie. The election will not stop the agitation for the separation of Nigeria, not just for Biafra. It's just for benefit of doubt. The election is just for benefit of doubt. Looking at Nigeria down the lane, you see that the Igbos deserve to take the presidential seat at this moment. Whether it happens or it does not happen, Nigeria will still break. We will never stop agitating for the separation of Nigeria. Because if an Igbo man finishes his tenure as the president of Nigeria, maybe he does good and steps down for these bad people to take over again, we'll go back to square one. So that's why we will not stop agitating for our freedom and for the disintegration of this zoological republic called Nigeria. Use your brain. Be a fool if you want to be a fool. This is my own side of the story. Thank you.